Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode, man. It's 2020, first video of the new year. It's going crazy, man. What's up with this virus going around? But just wanted to get a video out there to you guys, man. I haven't driven the Mustang since like October. Hasn't even been started up. So I just wanted to get this startup video for you guys. It's about to be crazy loud. There was a flood. There was a flood down here in the basement of where I live. Let me show you guys how high the water got. So you can see. Water got right there. That's nuts. Still wet. But they're good Mustang, man. So let's get this thing unraveled and give you guys this cold start. It's about to be crazy. Door panels are still off. I gotta fix the wiring of the sound, so all that's still not done. The battery's dead. I can't even move the seat back, so I don't know how I'm gonna start this up. The seat is all the way full, like I don't even know, but let's figure something out here. There it is, hood's popped. I've done nothing to the engine since I cut it off in October or November, whenever I stopped driving it. But still got the exhaust leak in the back. I'm about to actually get that fixed tomorrow, which is why I'm starting it up now. I got the parts there, gaskets, stuff like that. Getting that fixed tomorrow. So once I get that fixed, get the sounds fixed, and on my way to get Lido tuned. So if you guys don't know who that is, it's the guy who does the email tunes for the 3 valves. Heard he's pretty good, so about to give him a try, you know, see what's going on. Want to get my jumper cables now. Oh yeah, sun is out. Ew. I cannot wait to jump in the Mustang, man. It's been so long. All right, so there it is, hooked up. Also new to the channel, I didn't let you guys know this yet, but I will. Picked up the Taurus show. I'm gonna be doing a review on that shortly. So I got everything hooked up. Can't wait to start this thing up and drive it. It's been so long. Got stuff, oil change, got a couple boxes. I'll let you guys know what's going on in those boxes shortly. Get this seat back. Let's get this thing started. Hopefully the sound won't muffle, but I'm sure it will. So battery's charging up. That thing is like super dead. So it's tried it a few times. It's just not working. So I'm letting it charge up, and then we'll try it again. it up. I'm about to go drive, man. Let's go. Damn, man. So there you have it, man. Trial and error. Car is finally out. Storage. Still sounding good. Still looking good. About to go take this thing for a ride, man. Get the exhaust leak fixed on it. Can't wait to get this thing tuned up. Video is coming to an end. Just a quick startup video for you guys. Nothing crazy today, but I had to get the car up and running. Going ahead and getting the header leak fixed tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Hopefully everything goes well with that. And we just moving forward, man, with the build. Going to be hopefully getting a lot of videos out to you guys this year. So please, if you're not subscribed, you're an idiot. Get subscribed. Make sure you thumb up the videos and comment. I'm always commenting, replying back. I'm always reading the comments because there's not that many of you guys. So but not yet anyway. We getting there. But yeah, man. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Good job. Very good job.